session we discussed about how to take log and anti-log. Okay, now let us do some problems based on this. Using log and anti-log, how the calculations will become simple. Okay, let's go through that one. Write the question. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following using logarithm tables. Evaluate the following using logarithm tables. So whenever you are asked to use logarithm, finally to get the result, we'll be using anti-log. Okay, when you do the problem, you will understand. Right on. Evaluate the following using logarithm tables. So under that first one, 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. This is what we want to find. This is what we want to find by using log. Okay, now listen children, what we are going to do. The first step, you name this as x is equal to. Listen, you can write afterwards. 1 second, you listen. So I am first name this as x. What we have to find, you name it as x. So x is equal to 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. Now you take log on both sides. What is log x? It is log of 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. Is it correct? And what is the property we have learned? What is the property we have learned? Log of a raised to n means power is there, means we can take the power to the front. So it is same as n log a. So which is same as 1 by 3 log of 0.009. Okay, that is same as 1 by 3. We want to take log of 0.009. Whenever we want to take log contains two parts. Which are the two parts? Characteristic. Yes, which are the two parts? When you take log, which are the two parts there? Anila Mohanan. Anila Mohanan, can you tell me which are the two parts when you take log? Mantissa and characteristic. Okay, here, in order to take log, first we should write in standard form. 0.009, how we can write this in standard form? It is 9.0 into 10 raised to minus 3. Is it correct, children? Okay, so it is same as 3 bar point. 3 bar point. Now, we have to take log of 9. Log 9 we have to take. So, we have to use the log table. We have to use the log table. Log 9. Log of 9. What is log 9? Earlier, I hope we take that value. Log for 9 will not be available, isn't it? Log. When you take log, look at the log table. It starts from 10, isn't it? 1, 0. It starts from 1, 0. Logarithm starts from 1, 0. Okay, so 9 means you have to go for 90, 9, 0. What is there? What is the log value of 9, 0? What is the value? Tell me, children. Look at the table and tell me. What is log of 9, 0? Yes, Anila Mohanan, unmute and give the answer. What you are saying is correct. It is 9542. 90. Look at the table here. It is 9542. Okay, 90 means it is 9542. Okay, for 90 it is 9542. So now substitute that value here. 3 bar point 9542. 9 bar point 3512. What does mean? Okay, 3 bar means, okay, 3 bar means don't get worried, it is minus 3. What is it? Minus 3. 3 bar means it is minus 3 plus 0.9542 whole thing by 3. Listen, 3 bar 0.9542 means it is minus 3 plus 0.9542. So when you divide it by 3, how will you write this? This is minus 3 by 3 plus 0.9542 by 3. What is minus 3 by 3? It is minus 1 plus, when you divide by 3 here, what you will get? 3 3s are 9, 1, okay, 0.3187. Is it correct? This is same as 1 bar 0.3187. So this is log x. Up to this, is it clear, children? Is it okay? Are you able to follow up to this? Tomlin, up to this, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What we are doing here, listen, I'll explain it once again, children. Our aim is to find 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. So in order to take the cube root of this number, first you name that cube root as x. You take log on both sides. Log of a raised to n means n log x. So 1 by 3 log 0.009. Then we are taking the log of 0.009. So here when you write in standard form, it is 9.0 into 10 raised to minus 3. So now what is, okay, characteristic point is 3 bar. Then you take the log of 0.009. So you'll get 9542. So that is 3 bar means minus 3 plus 0.9542 by 3. So this one we separate it. Minus 3 by 3 plus 0.9542 by 3. We simplify this, we will get minus 1 plus 0.3187. Minus 1 means it is 1 bar. So this is log x. But what we want to find x. So what will be x? X is equal to antilog of 1 bar 0.3187. Whenever we take antilog, we consider only those values to the left of 3187. We consider only this value, 3187. Now use antilog table. Now use antilog table, not log. Okay, we want to take antilog. So antilog of 3187, isn't it? Antilog of 3187. Antilogarithm. Antilog of 3187. Tell me, children, what will be antilog of 3187 from the table? 31, then 8. 0.3187. 0.31. For antilog, you have to start with decimal. Okay, 0.31. 0.31. See, unmute it, some sound is coming here. 0.318. So 8 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it 2080? Is it 2080, children? With? Then 7. For 7, mean difference is 3. This mean difference we should add here. So 2080 plus 3 means 2083. Is it okay? 2080 plus 3. It is 2083. Is it clear? Is it okay, children? Aishwarya? And next, we are taking antilog. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2080 plus 3. So it is 2083. So it is 2083. Now we have taken antilog. Now what is left out? 1 bar. 1 bar means 1 point, isn't it? 1 bar means minus 1. What we did while taking antilog, with this characteristic point, you add 1. So minus 1 plus 1, what you will get? 0. Minus 1 plus 1 means it is 0. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 means it is 0. So that means no need to shift it. You just keep the dot here itself. No need to move the decimal to the front or back. You keep there itself. So it is 0.2083. 0.2083. See some sound. Who is it making that? Shubham. Is it okay? Okay, only few questions we are going to learn in this method, but understand how to take log and antilog. How to take log and antilog, you understand it. This one, is it okay? Femina, Aditya, Satyan, that one, how we did, is it clear? Is it okay? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Femina? Femina, yesterday was you are absent, isn't it? Previous
Yes,
class and all you are absent.
yes, ma'am.
Do you understand how to do that one?
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's do one more question so you'll understand. Okay, write the next one. So write the next one. Evaluate 42.87 whole raised to half into 84.9 by 0.234. See, whenever we get big calculations, we use log. Simple numbers means we can do it easily. Here we want to find the square root, fourth root and all means we go with the log. So what is the first step we have to do? What is the first step? You name this answer as this value is x. You name the value as x. Then what is the next step? What is the next step? We take log on both the sides. So log x is equal to log of 42.87 whole raised to half into 84.9 by 0.234. Up to this, is it okay? Is it okay, Annette? Is it okay, Annette?
Can you say once more?
Okay, first what we are doing here, we want to evaluate this value. Okay, this value we are naming it as x. We'll get one value there, that value we are naming it as x. The next step, we are taking log on both the sides. You take log on both the sides. Log x is equal to log of this full value. Is it okay? Up to this only we did. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is log of a into b? What you have learned about log of a into b? What is log of a into b? Use the property. What is log of a into b? Yes, what is log of a into b? Karthik. What is log of ab?
Log A plus B.
Log a plus log b. We can separate the log. If it is in product, we can separate. What is log of a by b? If it comes in division, log a minus log b. Isn't it? Now listen. So here, this one we can write this as, look at the numerator, it is in product. So log 42.87 whole raised to half. Plus, this is in product. So log 84.9. If it is in multiplication, we have to put plus minus log of 0.234. Is it okay? Log of a into b is log a plus log b. Log of a by b means we have to write minus log of 0.234. Is it okay? Now again use the property. What is log of a raised to n? What is log of a raised to n? It is n log a. Whenever we have power, take it to the front. Plus log of 84.9 minus log of 0.234. Up to this, is it okay, children? Up to this, is it okay? Now this is equivalent to half into. Now we want to take log of 42.87. What will be log of 42.87? It involves two parts, isn't it? Which are the two parts? Characteristic part and mantissa. So what is the characteristic part here? 42.87. When you write in standard form, what you will get? What is the 1, isn't it? 1 point. Now take the log. 4287. We have to take the log. Okay, you have to take log. This is anti-log. So you take log. Log 4287. Find it out. 4287. What will be the value? Tell me the value. I'm not going to give the value. You can give the value. 4287.
631.
6314. Very good. Okay. So this is 428. One more number is there. Mean difference. Mean difference 7. Mean difference 7. For the mean difference 7, I think here you will get 7 itself, isn't it? So 6314 plus 7. What is 6314 plus 7?
6321.
6321. So there we can write 6321. 1.6321 plus. Now look at, take the next number. 84.9. We want to take log. So what is log of 84.9? Children, all of you switch on your video. What is log of 84.9? So what is the characteristic points? When you write this in standard form, what you will get? 1. 1. Okay, so it is 1. 1 second. Let me erase that one. So it is 1.849. We have to take the log of 849, isn't it? We want to take the log of 849. So tell me, what will be the log of 849? Tomlin? Okay, you have to give the answer. Eight, 4, 9. $84. 8, 4, then 9. What is that?
9289.
849 is 9289. Good. It is 9289. So substitute there. We have to substitute. Okay. So it is 1.9289 minus log of 0.234. Log of 0.234. So log contains two parts. Which are the two parts? Characteristic part and mantissa. So what is the characteristic part here?
-1.
-1. Very good. -1 means we will write this as 1 bar. 1 bar point. 1 bar point. 234. We have to take the log of 234. So take the log of 234. 234. 23. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, take it from the table. 234. Take the log of 234. Karthik, can you give the answer? 234.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
3692.
yes, good. It is 3692. Is it correct? Others, Aditya Satyan, is it okay? 3692. Are you getting us 3692? Log of 234. When you take log. Aditya Satyan. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, Aditya. Okay. What about Annette? 234. What is the answer? Log of 234. What is the answer you got?
3692.
3692. Okay, so Karthik, okay, it's correct. So substitute there. So 1 bar point 3692. Okay, now this is equivalent to half of, so that is 1.6321 by 2 plus 1.9289 minus of 1 bar means what we said, it is minus 1. 1 bar means minus 1 plus 0.3692. Now, if this one we can divide, isn't it? What is 1.6321 divided by 2? This 1.6321 divided by 2. Aishwarya.
Wait, ma'am, I'm doing it.
Do it and give the answer. Do it. 1.6321 divided by 2.
Uh, 0.8165.
0.8165, correct, plus 1.9289. Now I'm opening the bracket, children. After doing this, this minus is common for these two terms. So negative of negative, it will become positive, minus 0.3692. Now add all the things and give me the final value. So this is log x. This value will be log x. We can add all the positive values, isn't it? Add all the positive, then subtract 0.3692, what do you get?
3.3762.
8 point, see,
3.3762.
3.3762. Okay. Wait, okay, let's wait. What about the others?
3.3757.
3757. Okay, let us check which one is correct. Okay, I'm going to add all the positive quantities. 1.9289, okay, 1. The next one is, okay, all the calculations you have to do it in rough column, children. 0.8165. When you add all those things, what you will get? 14, 5, 4, 18, isn't it? Then from here, I'm going to subtract 3692. So this is the answer. Is it okay? When you subtract it, what is the answer, Annette? What is the answer you got?
3762.
Minus 0.3762. Aparna, is it correct? 0.3762?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, so this is not correct. Okay, change it, children. Those who got that answer, do this. Okay, so we got 3.3762. The what will be x? X will be, this is log x. So from this, if you want to take x, what do you have to do? We have to take, this is log x. Our aim is to find x. So how will you get x from log x?
Antilog.
Antilog. Good. Okay, we have to take antilog of 3.3762. While taking antilog, we will consider the part only after the decimal. Okay, we will take 0.3762. Now use antilog table. 3762. Okay, take the antilog table. Antilog 0.37. Antilog always starts with point. 0.3762. Point 3762. What do you will get? 376, isn't it? So what is 0.376? 0.376. 2 from where you have to take? The mean difference. Mean difference and add, you will get. So what is antilog of 0.3762?
2378.
2378. Please, 2378. Is it correct? Is it correct, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
So substitute there. So it is 2378. Now what to do with this part? With this characteristic part while taking antilog? What you will do? With the characteristic part? With the characteristic part, what you will do? What is the characteristic part here? 3, isn't it? 3 plus 1. We will add 1. 3 plus 1, it is 4. So from the front, we have to shift the decimal 4 places after this. So it is 2378.0, which is same as 2378. This 2378. Is it okay, children? Is it clear? Is it okay, Anila Mohan?
9 plus 8 is 17 now. You took 8
Which
in
one?
the calculation.
Where, ma? In which one?
Where we got 3762.
3762.
The
Here.
calculation.
When it's subtracting. Antilog.
On the calculation, 9
The
plus 8
calculation.
is 17.
Yes. Okay. Here we wrote 38. Yes, correct. Others, children, what is the answer you got? When you do the addition. Karthik? Okay.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
When we add all those things, when you add the numbers,
Ma'am, I got 3.3762.
3.3762. Okay, once again, let's do this. Okay, let's do this again. Write the question again. What is the question here? Okay, take the values and all. Now you have to take by yourself. Once again, let's do this. Let's check. Into 84.9 by 0.234. Okay, so what we will do? First step, you name it as x. Then what do you have to do? In order to do the calculation easily, what we are going to use log. You take log on both sides. So log x is equal to log of 42.87 raised to half into 84.9 by 0.234. Now this is same as. Next we are using the property, isn't it? By using the property, what is log of A into B? What is log of A into B? Log of A into B is
A plus B.
log A plus B. Okay, so we can write this as 42.87 raised to half plus log of 84.9, and log of A by B is log of A by B is log A minus log B. So I'll get log 0.234. So this is same as, now we can put half in the front. Half log 42.87 plus log 84.9 minus log 0.234. So this is same as half. Now we want to take log of 42.87. Log of 42.87. What is the characteristic point? 1.4287, isn't it? 4287's log we have to take. Log table. Okay. 4287. Is it log or antilog here? Antilog. 4287. Okay, here minute differences. By making minute differences, the calculation, everything may go wrong. Okay, let's take 4287. 4287, what we got? 0.6321. Isn't it? 0.6321. Yes, activity. Okay, once again, let's complete this one and I'll explain that. So 0.6321. Is it correct, Aditya Satyan, up to this? Then we want to take log of 84.9. That is 1 point. What is log of 84.9 we got? Aditya is there, Aditya? Is it Aditya asked it out or Anila Mohanan?
I'm me.
Okay. 84.9. What is log of 84.9? 9289, isn't it? Are you able to get that answer, children? 1.9289 minus, this one will be log of 0.234, isn't it? So we wrote this as 1 bar point. Is it 3692? Check the log. Is it 3692?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we divide by 1 by 2, what you will get? 0.88165. Is it correct? Is it 65 or 05? One, okay. 0.81605. Is it correct? 1631, 2s are 16. Then 3, 1 times 12, 6, 1 will not go, so 0, 5. Plus 1.9289 minus of minus 1 plus this one will become minus 0.3692. So now let's add these numbers, okay? When we add these numbers, what you are getting? 1.9289, 1. The next number is 0.81605. So when you add this, 5, 9, 14, 4, 7, isn't it? 16, 7. 3.74495. I think there what is it? What we wrote there? Sum, what is the sum? There we wrote 8. Change it. Okay, very good. Then subtract, what you have to subtract here? 0.3692. Subtract it. When you subtract this, what you will get? 5, 7, 14 minus 9, it is 5, 7, 6 minus 3, it is 3. Is it correct? Is it okay, children? Three six nine two minus 3692. 7. Now is it okay? Anila Mohanan, is it okay? Anila Mohanan?
Yes, ma'am.
So the final answer we are getting is log x is 3.3757. Okay, after decimal one place is there means you round off it. 3758. If it is more than 5, because we need up to 4 places. The 5th place, what we can do, we can round off it. Now, what is x? X is anti-log of 3.3758. Now you take the anti-log. 3758 anti-log. 3758 anti-log you take. 3758 anti-log. That is 3758. 375. 5 means 8. Is it 57? And this is log table, children. Anti-log. We have to take anti-log table, isn't it? Okay, when you take log and anti-log, check properly whether we are using log or anti-log table. So 0.3758. And from the anti-log table, you have to find 0.3758. 2371, isn't it? 2371. And here 8 is 4. So you'll get 2375. You get 2375. It is 2375. 3 plus 1 means 4. 4 places we have to shift. 0.0. So the answer is 2375. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? That one, because of one minute difference, carry over one mistake. Okay, everything went. Okay, very good, Anila Mohanan. At least you noticed that one. Okay, now children, for the regarding the project assignment. Assignment, what is the topic I gave? Okay, you have to write the introduction.